everything was better before, truth or not. In Luxembourg City, there are 3 main monuments. 2 of them are dedicated to women, the Grand Duchess Charlotte and the Galafra. So, women seem to be very present in Luxembourg. But what about the equal pay for their work? One of the key indicators is obviously the salary, or to be more precise, the gender pay gap. So how is the GPG calculated? To put it roughly, the GPG is a very complex indicator. It measures the difference between the average gross hourly salary of men and women as percentage of man gross salary. So let's see how the GPG has developed over the past decades in Luxembourg, and without spoiling it, you might get surprised. In fact, as you can see from this figure of 2022, Luxembourg has reached an outstanding position in the GPG in Europe. As the only EU country, in Luxembourg, the GPG is in favor of women with a value of minus 0.7%. At the same time, in the EU, the GPG was on average 12.7% below those of men. But how is this possible? And has this always been the case? No. It was only in 2021 that the GPG in Luxembourg was for the first time in favor of women. The GPG is influenced by many specific factors. It is based on the average salary and strongly depends on the numbers of workers as compared to the amounts of the salaries. In reality, in Luxembourg, in almost all sectors taken separately, there is still a gap in favor of men. However, due to a compositional effect for the economy as a whole, women's hourly pay is higher than that of men. Due to an education gap in their favor, women are more numerous in branches where wages are higher, for example education, while we can find more men in branches where wages are lower, for example construction. In any case, women still remain underrepresented in very high salaries. While compared to the good old days, a GPG close to zero is certainly a sign of significant progress in equal pay for men and women. Still, a lot can be done to refine this indicator to make it future-proof to show that not everything was better before.